Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Good Sector Academy. Today we're gonna fix a problem in ISSABEL PBX system. Like made everyone know, ISSABEL is a free solution for creating PBX solutions like a mini call center. The original base, like the other PBX solutions, is asterisk. Asterisk is the original base of ISSABEL. We can set up this solution on a physical server, or we can also install it on a virtual machine, like I'm doing right now. Today's problem is a very common problem. When we install ISSABEL server for the first time, maybe for try, we don't give it enough space. We care just about CPU and RAM, and we all don't care about uh, hard disk space because we just want to test, to try the main features. And this is why this problem happens. The problem is sometimes when we try to enter the dashboard, the web interface of ISSABEL, we just can't. It doesn't tell us that the username of password is wrong. All is correct, but it doesn't enter. It doesn't access. The problem is when ISSABEL save calls recording, it takes a lot of space. When the space go to be enough or no free space, ISSABEL can't save some caches or some new settings and make that create problems like system interruptions or users can't make calls or some lags, and also make this problem we can't access the dashboard. So follow me in this video and I will show you how to fix this problem. First, let's go to ISSABEL command line, to the server. Enter your username and password, and let's write those commands. Actually, what we are doing with those commands, we are removing the most files that take space from the hard drive, is the calls recording. We try to delete some months, like a month or two months, to make a free space for ISSABEL. I will leave on the description of this video the full path of the calls recording folder. The delete command contains rm means remove, minus r means delete the folder even if it contains files, and minus f means force this deletion even if some files are used by other process. After delete uh, some big files like a month or two of calls recordings, now I'm sure that you can access your dashboard without any problem. This is a temporary solution until you maybe reinstall ISSABEL Isabel server in a big hard disk, or maybe you can resize your hard drive to give it space. Thanks for watching my video. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me for more issues fixed in Isabel and the VoIP field. Thanks.